Imagine a place with no caste, no racism, no laws, and 0% crime rate. And people from various different countries live here in peace and harmony. Yes, it exists. Yes, it's in India. It's in southern India, and it is called Auroville. Auroville is one of the most incredible places I've ever visited. It is very difficult to explain how Auroville works and do justice to it, but I will try my best. For that, we need to go a little back in time. Mira Alfasa, also known as the Mother, always envisioned a place above all creed and politics and where everyone is treated equally. Auroville was found in 1968 as an experimental township by the Mother and Sri Aurobindo. People from all over the world came here to be a part of this incredible society, and some of them even drove down from other countries. Now over 3,000 people from 60 countries live here in peace and harmony. The vibe at Auroville is very different. When you visit Auroville, you'll notice that it's very peaceful, and the biggest contributing factor to that is its greenery. Apparently, Auroville was a barren land before. Aurovillians have transformed a wasteland into a vibrant ecosystem in the most commendable way. Here is another interesting fact about Auroville. Everyone earns the same salary. In order to stay in Auroville, everyone has to work towards the community and everyone earns the same salary. Cycling is the best and the most fun way of getting around Auroville. You can rent a bike from the visitors center. Here are a few things you must do in Auroville. Visit Matri Mandir for meditation. Visit the Auroville Bamboo Center. Here you can see a lot of creativity with bamboos, like bamboo musical instruments, bamboo huts, bamboo swings, and a lot more things. One of the most artistic places in Auroville is definitely the youth center. Here you can see beautiful tree houses and a lot of creativity all around. You can also take a nature trail here and explore the area on foot. Auroville Bakery is a must visit. Auroville also has other iconic food joints like Bread and Chocolate, Tanto, and Mark's. Apart from this, Auroville also has a beach, some very unique houses, and local stores selling beautiful handmade and sustainable products. Here are a few stay options in Auroville. First is Keith House. It is an eco-friendly nature getaway. If you want to know more about Keith House, I've posted a detailed review and I'll link it in the description box below. The next option is Villa Escape. It's the perfect place to stay when you're with family or in a big group. So we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video to be helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.